The garden of many colors. Imagine a garden. It's not a garden of just red roses, but a garden where the white jasmine whispers to the purple orchids, and the golden sunflowers bow to the ancient green oaks. They don't fight for the sun. They don't argue about who has the deepest roots. They simply exist together beautifully, harmoniously. Hello everyone, honorable judges and my fellow brothers and sisters in Indonesia. I'm Yeni from Lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand here not just to tell a story, but to bring a message from the very soul of our land. Lately, the air in our garden feels heavy. We and many people build walls instead of bridges. We see forests weeping as they turn into ashes. We often forget that the God who taught us to pray is the same God who entrusted us with this earth. I remember my father once said, "Daughter, a bird cannot fly with only one wing. Indonesia cannot fly if we only care about our own group, our own faith, or our own ego when we talk about religious moderation." It's not about thinning our faith. It is about taking our love. It's about realizing that my prayer and your prayer, they're different in words, but see the same thing, peace. And look at the earth, our home. In every religion, nature is a holy book that doesn't use words. When we destroy a forest, we are tearing a page from God's creation. This is what we call eco-theology. Harmony isn't just between humans. It is a synergy between us, the divine and the universe. We can't say we love the Creator if we are His creation. We can't say Indonesia maju if our rivers are poisoned and our hearts are filled with heartache. So, my friends, let's be the gardeners of this nation. Let's plant seeds of tolerance where there is dry land of intolerance. Let's pour the water of kindness where there is the fire of anger. Because when umat rukun and synergy become our heartbeat, then and only then, Indonesia will truly bloom. Not just as a country, but as a sanctuary for all souls. I'm Yeni and I choose to be the voice of peace. Thank you.